Reintroducing Hydrafence, your skin's ultimate coach. Experience 120 hours of unstoppable hydration. But it's more than just hydration. Hydrafence boosts your skin's barrier function, speeds up recovery, and leaves your skin feeling smoother. And the best part? These benefits last for days after treatment. Now more than ever, Hydrafence brings the science you can feel. Provital went beyond the ordinary, collaborating with experts at École Centrale Lyon to test the feel factor of Hydrafence. Using Touchy Finger technology, a connected human finger powered by an AI algorithm, they precisely measured smoothness through direct contact. Thanks to the hydrocolloid matrix made from rice amylopectin, Hydrafence powers hydration by gradually releasing a calcium-rich fraction extracted from Lithothymnium calcareum seaweed. Our ingredient not only nourishes your skin, but also contributes to environmental well-being. Caring for the planet means caring for people too, and Hydrafence aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We know that our skin is our first line of defense against external aggressors like UVA-B rays, free radicals, and pollution. Hydrafence strengthens your skin, turning it into an impenetrable barrier like the Great Wall of China, protecting you from these three elements and preserving your skin's health. Hydrafence, beyond hydration.